Today we are at Bandung Waterfall. Pretty wild. Okay. Hectic spillway. Okay, down we go. With a sign of strike it down 70% century. I've seen a duck on a waterfall before. Like this old sandstone conglomerate. How's it going, people? Today we are at Bandung Waterfall. We'll see. Okay. Hectic spillway. Welcome to Bandung Waterfall. Okay, down we go. Whoa, look at the slippery stuff. He swept it too, you can tell it's been cleaned. Need to be degreased, really. Wow. You guys wave at me. Hello. With a sign of strike it down 70% century. 70th century Dutch series. Yeah, it's pretty wild. Duck doing it, he's chilling. I haven't seen a duck on a waterfall before. So they carved out this bit of the rock here, some steps to come through. I'll just film the way back. That's what you get to. It's through a vortex. The bottom of the weir, it's pretty crazy, like it's on flow. Jesus, cloud. We'll get back up on top and then we'll go downstream and see what's down there. That'll be pretty good, this viewpoint actually. Probably even better than going in the little section in the middle. Oh well. Just got a long section down there. Like this old sandstone conglomerate tucked away. It's crazy. Got a little trip running in. It's not really a trip, it's just a deviation of the water. They jump off these rocks and about that is wild. That's so wild. Alright. I'm up and out. That was short and easy. Hope you enjoyed this journey, guys. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for me. Hit the notification bell to be notified of all the new adventures. We'll catch you guys in the next one, eh? Peace out.